Guys, I wanted to send an updated Jing since the last one that I sent was really focused on finding the status and sending the email template. So I'll include that one in the email as well, but at least you'll have this one. This will show you how to best find your specific students and target those students who are still listed as unknown and be able to start the conversations with them so that you have that information. Here I would log in through your admin account through TotalView. If you go in through your teacher account and you still have any students in your testing classroom, they'll show up there. So we want you to target those students that you've had all year because you've got that relationship with them and you're able to best have that conversation. So going through your admin account, you'll see the quick links option here. You'll scroll down to TotalView Action. And then through there, you'll be able to input up to 500 student IDs and then make sure that you click re-registration and search. This will bring you here, shows your SIDs. I've eliminated the last names for this purpose so that you guys can see this. But then if you scroll over, you'll see registering, you'll see some status unknowns, you'll see undecided. So that just gives you an idea of where your students are. So whether they're not registering or are registering or undecided, we would like for you guys to really have conversations with those students listed as unknown still. So if they are still listed as unknown, not registering, or undecided, by June 23rd, they'll be withdrawn the following day. So we want to make sure that we're giving them the best options and keeping them informed as to what's going to happen if their status is not updated. So this is where you'll find status unknown by selecting this and search, and that will allow you to then select this, and then you can send that email through here. So that information again is in the other Jing that I'll send, but you have that there for you. Okay, so if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email or call, and we're here to help. I'll talk to you soon.